If you're going on a cruise, these luggage tags are gonna be one of those easy upgrades that will save you a huge headache. Let me show you why. So the brand did send me the 6-pack of these heavy-duty cruise luggage tag holders. And these are the perfect size because they're actually gonna fit the major cruise lines, including Norwegian, Princess, Carnival, and even Holland America. I did print out a little cruise tag here so you can kind of see how well this slides in there without any bunching or anything. It's a perfect fit and it's nice and snug in there. And one of the things I love about this is how waterproof it is. So it does have this little seal right here. So I'm gonna seal that shut. As you can see, there's no air coming through here. I'm gonna spray it with this spray bottle and we'll see if any water leaks through. I'll even spray down this right here. As you can see, even if it's raining or getting splashed by the water, it's gonna stay nice and dry in there so that you don't get any smudges on your tags or anything. So super impressed with the waterproof, weatherproof feature. And these aren't made from thin, flimsy material. This is a durable plastic that's not gonna be able to be torn. I'm trying to tear this and it's not doing anything. It's super sturdy. I like that they have this metal ring right here that's going to keep it from being able to be torn, even if you're yanking on the attachment, which let me show you the attachment really quick. It's just the stainless steel loop and it's super easy to put together. You're just going to feed it through that hole right there and then take this end with the end that has the threads. And we're just gonna thread this through and just turn this bigger part right here to twist it onto the threads. It's literally just that easy. Anyone can do it. It's super user-friendly. And look at how strong that is. I'm gonna pull as hard as I can and it's not tearing at all. It's super sturdy. I love that these are stainless steel too. They're not gonna rust or break. They're super sturdy. Definitely wouldn't worry about these ripping at all or breaking around the connection area. So let me just show you how easy this is to put on. So all you have to do is just feed this around the handle and then just twist this bigger part over the side with the threads. Again, just like I showed you before. And it twists pretty far, so you just go until you feel some resistance. It's really just that easy, and it's the nice shape and size, so it's not going to fall off or get caught on anything. It is literally the perfect size. I love the loop. I love the actual holder. Just super good quality. And this is so easy that even my grandparents could figure this out. I had them try it out and they had no trouble at all. Even if you're a person who doesn't like all the extra accessories that come with luggage, this one is super easy to learn how to use, really not complicated at all. So if you're cruising with Carnival, Princess, Norwegian, MSC, or even Holland America, these are an easy way to keep your luggage tags safe and secure and readable throughout your whole trip. Definitely a handy travel accessory to have before you set sail.